Welcome to my home. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Grace and today is a really special video. My husband and I just bought a 1920s bungalow in the heart of downtown Orlando, and today I'm going to be giving you guys an empty home tour before we start any of our painting, home projects, moving anything in. This is the house as we bought it. We literally closed on it 2 days ago. This is only our second time coming to the house that it's been ours, and I'm so excited to get to welcome you guys for the very first time into our home. So let's go take a look inside. In some of the rooms, I'm going to be giving you guys just a little bit of a description of some of the things that we fell in love with when we first came to the home, and kind of just some things that we're excited to do to the home as we grow into this space. So right now we're standing on the front porch, and this is what sold it for me. The moment I stepped onto this porch, I was just filled with this unexplainable joy, and I knew it was going to be our home. I grew up in South Mississippi in a home where we had a big, beautiful front porch, and that was something I was really looking forward to hopefully having in our home. And so to find a home with that was just a dream come true. So yeah, this is our porch. It is beautiful and wonderful, and I want to have a little seating area on here, maybe a little bistro table to be able to eat fun meals on and sit out here and watch the nice Florida rainfall or be cozy. It's just going to be such a wonderful space for us, and I'm excited to decorate it for the holidays. Oh my goodness, can you imagine pumpkins lining the stairs? That is just so exciting. So yeah, we're gonna head into the house now, and I'll show you guys the living room and dining room first. So let's come into the house. Welcome to my home. This house has so much character. Like I said earlier, it was built in the 1920s. The windows are original to the home, and I just think that is so cool. It has so much character and little things like that. And then we have this gorgeous fireplace that absolutely blew me away when we walked in. I can't wait to decorate that mantle for the holidays and put a Christmas tree in here and just make it such a cozy space for us. But I'm going to show you guys one of the windows because I think it's just so stinking cool. So it's a latch window, and it opens up, so we can have some nice fresh air in, which will just be so lovely in the fall and on into winter. But right across from the living room, we do have the dining area. While this space is not super big, we're not too worried about it because, as you'll see in just a minute, we have other plans for where we'd like to eat most of our meals. But we do have this little dining area that we're going to put our table in, and then we'll go into the guest room next. So this is our guest room. I'm not going to do a full dictation on this space just because it is just that. It is the room for all of our friends and family who are going to be coming to visit us in Orlando. I will say I already know on these windows I want to do super high curtains to kind of make them look a little longer, but again, original to the house. But yeah, I'm excited to make this space a cozy spot for everyone who comes to our home. Next up, we have the kitchen. If you guys have been following my channel for a bit, you know one of my biggest complaints about our current apartment is that the kitchen is so dark. There's no windows, it's dark cabinetry. This is the white, bright, well-lit kitchen of my dreams. As you guys will see, it is not a large kitchen, but it is so beautiful. We have these gorgeous countertops and these white cabinets that are all soft close, so you can close it and it doesn't slam. I just think that is the coolest thing. Same with the drawers. I don't really know that much about kitchen appliances, except for one of my favorite things is this refrigerator. It is so wonderful. I cannot wait to fill it with so many yummy fruits and veggies. And look, it is so brand new. We're the first people to live in this house since it got renovated. So it all still has its stuff, and best part is it has a filtered water dispenser, so we no longer have to drink that Florida water from the tap if we don't want to. And I'll let you guys come all the way in. We've got this lovely sink that overlooks into the beautiful side yard. And another really cool feature is there's actually a wine cooler in here. We were kind of shocked. We were like, of all the things you thought to put in this kitchen, They have a wine cooler. So cool.
We have a wine cooler.
We have a wine cooler. You're so right. Wesley is filming for me. He is, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna let him talk about some of his favorite parts of this kitchen because he is the cook in the family. Although this kitchen is gonna make me become a cook. Like, have you seen it? It's gorgeous. Wesley, tell us about the kitchen. Tell us about your kitchen.
Welcome to my kitchen, everybody. First of all, countertops. Nice, bright. I don't know if it's real marble or not, but it looks like marble, and that's good enough for me. Second of all, okay, I love a gas oven with like real fire, but I hate the ovens with like the coils, so this is a happy medium. I will take the flat top electrical, love it. Brand new fridge, love it.
Overhead vent.
That actually vents outside. Guys, you can't beat it.
See, he knows what the good stuff is in this space. He knows about it. We have a microwave here, a cute little area that I'm gonna decorate up there, and then the dishwasher. Someone was like, oh, it's an older home, I bet it doesn't have a dishwasher. We have a dishwasher similar to the guest bedroom. This is our guest bathroom. Again, we just want to make this space lovely for our guests, and anyone who is coming over will be using this bathroom. We eventually want to put in a bigger tub, but that is like down the line. Can you tell I'm already thinking of home projects for us to do? And then we have a beautiful vanity with that same countertop that is in the kitchen, a nice lovely updated sink. This actually, when it comes out, it tells you blue or green if it's hot or cold, which is just so fancy. And this is the mirror, which, you know, I want a circular mirror in here, but that's a little bit down the line as well. This is the guest bath. It's updated, it is modern, it is clean. You can't beat that. One of the smallest rooms in the house is actually our master bedroom. So for those who aren't familiar, a bungalow is typically a smaller space. And we knew that going into it, but this is what's going to be our master bedroom. We're going to be going and figuring out all kinds of ways to maximize our space. So should we stay in this home long term, there's plenty of space to expand and build our dream master suite, because there's literally a whole other plot that is our yard at the moment. But yeah, this is our little master room, and stay tuned because we are going to transform the heck out of this space. The highlight of this space is definitely the bathroom. So this is our little master. We have this gorgeous updated shower. Again, a beautiful fresh white vanity. Some storage space in this cabinet, a beautiful window that overlooks what will become our beautiful yard or addition, and a linen closet in here. And then the last room we're going to be going into in the home is what will become the SunnySG HQ. This is going to be a closet office space, so let's head into there. They actually marketed this house as a 3-bedroom at some point, and thinking that someone could fit a true bed in here. And when we talked to the realtor, he was like, well, it's a really small bedroom, like it could be an office or like a baby's room. You're like, there's no way you could fit a bed in here, but it is the perfect space for my office and for me to set my desk up and a little filming space, because we have this big, beautiful 1920s window right here, and there's another little window up here as well. This used to be a door, we believe, at some point that they must have sealed off, but either way would be a great expansion point should we want to expand our home a little bit. And it has some actually pretty good shelf space in this closet that I can use to store clothes or bags or anything like that. And yeah, I'm excited to see what I do to this space, as I'm sure it's one that you guys will see often. You guys are going to see all of the house often. I'm just so ready to start moving in and filming in here more. And if you guys got a sneak peek of it, we're about to head out to another one of the highlights of the home, which is the back deck. Alright friends, we're headed onto the back deck, which is something that Wesley actually was really looking forward to or hoping to find in a home. And so to find a home with both a big beautiful front porch and a back deck, insane, such a god thing. Let's head out onto the back deck now. The back deck already came equipped with these beautiful market lights, which we'll have to turn on in just a bit. This is where we would love to set up another dining area, a space where we can come out here and grill out and have friends and family over and have little house parties and just enjoy this beautiful outdoor area. This deck is stunning. It is very large. We will have enough space to put probably a dining area as well as a little seating area and a grill on. So we are going to take full advantage of all of this space. That's the thing, is that although the blueprint of the house is not as large as what we thought we were looking for, the deck and the front porch, those two additional living spaces, absolutely make up for it. I'm sure you're wondering, there was no laundry room in that space. You're correct. The house was built in 1920. There are no washer dryer hookups in the house. However, in our lovely little shed over there, there are washer dryer hookups, and Wesley is actually going to take on the project of transforming it into a beautiful Pinterest worthy wash area. And I'm really excited because I think it's going to be so cool. It's actually huge in there, like plenty of space to do a washer dryer area. Maybe eventually we'll put another desk out there. We're for sure going to turn the second half into storage, so you guys will have to stay tuned as we transform that area. Last but not least, we'll head over to the side yard, and then I will end my little house tour. This whole area over here is our yard as well. Kind of like I was saying before, you could actually pick up the blueprint of the house and put it directly next to it. If we so chose, we can expand and turn this starter family home into a truly family home one day. We're just so excited for the possibilities of it, and to, at the very least, turn it into a rockin' yard space. Also, I forgot to point this out earlier, but this house literally has a picket fence. It does not get more perfect than that, you guys. Well friends, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching and coming into my home for my empty house tour. I can't wait to take you guys along our journey as we continue our move-in process, doing home projects, and really transforming this space into our perfect little bungalow home. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so. And then if we're not already friends on my other socials, I am thesunnysg on Instagram and on TikTok. Listen to those beautiful cicadas. I cannot wait for so many cozy nights on this porch. I hope you guys have a sunshiny day, friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video.